Welcome to this first training module looking at the Smart Notebook software in overview. Launch the Notebook software from your desktop by double-clicking the desktop icon. The application will launch presenting various menu options. The main toolbar across the top of the screen consists of these elements: Actions, Add-ons and Tools. The left-hand side menu consists of Pages, Gallery, Attachments, Properties and Add-ons. Towards the bottom of the left-hand margin, you have access to moving through your notebook by selecting the forward or backward arrows. Below, you can also add or delete a notebook page. Depending on your choice of stance at the screen, you may want to move the side menu to the opposite side by clicking on the double arrow head. Similarly, the top menu can be brought to the bottom of the screen by selecting the double arrow at the top right-hand corner of the software.